Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to Facebook stories. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of your newsfeed, tap Create Story or the plus button on your profile picture. And after that, upload the picture you want. Once the media is selected, go to the top right corner, then select music, then scroll down and choose the music you want. Then after choosing your music, go to the music again, then tap the lyric style to change font, colors, and layout. Also, you can drag slider bar to select which part of the song plays, move and resize the lyrics anywhere on your story. Once you're happy with it, tap share to story. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.